course, you guys are always recording. Yeah. Why do I even need to... You love this shirt. Oh my god. Yo, dude. Clean kicks approved. Check the back. Check the back. Oh. Too high? What do you mean? Oh, right. Camera. Oh god. Sneaker Clinic. Of course. Check it out. Don't forget to wash me. That is the best. When are we getting started? We always have technical difficulties. The technical difficulty is that you invited Lee. Lee's back. He's
YouTube, I am back in Ron's channel.
Guys, can you mute his voice? His mic? He's not wearing a mic.
This is very good.
Can you at least... you can't mute half of the...
ASMR Asian.
What's good, YouTube? Slayer from Sneaker Clinic. Thank you for tuning in to another freaking awesome video review. Minus Lee.
Review.
God, Air Jordan 11 2022 Cherries, inspired, I guess, from the 2016 Air Jordan 11 Cherry Lows. It's pretty much lower. Everything else should be the same, except for, of course, this higher, nice, remastered patent cut, which is supposed to be OG. Wow, this color is not OG. This, oh God, 1995 Tinker Hat Field Michael Jordan. These guys, they're awesome. I love the fact that there's no gold anywhere. There's not even gold tip laces. Let me check. Nope, it's just boring white laces inspired by the basketball net because it's nice and round. Oh, the butt shot. Herringbone traction pods, top, bottom, up and down. 4-foot heel, of course, the semi-translucent. Also gotta love the carbon fiber 3/4 length. Full length, full air, encapsulated regular air, not the Zoom Air. This patent leather, I think it's real. I don't know, I can't tell. Ballistic upper mesh, just feel all this nice sexiness. Oh, my voice. White, varsity, red, black. What? You want me to do a dramatic reading of
Air Jordan 11 Retro White Varsity Red Black CT80121116?
top of the box? Very, very, very cool. I'm very disappointed that they did not give you a fresh pair of red laces or just another pair of laces for the heck of it. They're white. They're gonna get dirty, duh. And secondly, the shoe tree, this elongated shape, it's not even a nice plastic shoe tree that they used to come with a few years ago when they tried to remaster all these Jordans. The box, getting kind of cheap. Can't really complain. We gotta end this video quick. I just want to show the viewers the shoe. I'm done talking. I want to save my voice, and I think I'm starting to get a little sick because the air. It's just cut this video. It's not very fresh anymore. Especially this guy, when he talks, it's just like, yeah. Anyways, at sneaker.clinic. Make sure you follow us. God damn it. ASMR at ASMR. Lee's, right? Whatever. Yeah, I don't even know why I came back to this video. Should have told me that
ASMR Lee. I think the YouTube channel, make sure you follow me. Oh, thank you, Leon. Oh my god. Oh,
don't touch the shoes. Don't. Just don't. Okay, I'm not going to touch the shoes. I don't want you to touch the shoes. Actually, I can touch the shoes. I don't want you to touch the shoes.
Exciting,
Shoes.
Such a long
you know what?
time
You're just making...
since
Oh my god, you're just messing me up already. Just shut up, sit there. Oh my god, why don't you just do your own video in your ASMR freaking channel? Do your movies. No one cares about you. Why are you even here?
See by the man, see by the man. Super